So this is a video on removing this headlight switch. There is a bulb right behind your headlight right there that illuminates the switch when it's on. So mine wasn't working, so I came to remove this, and there is a bit of a trick to it. So the first thing you do, like all the other headlight switches of this generation or W123s, you can just pull this straight off, and there is a 24 millimeter nut that isn't on there very tight. If you have a 24, you obviously use that. If you don't, I'm sure needle nose could help you with that to at least loosen it, and just spin it off. Now this, I didn't quite, there are no other videos that I found that showed you how to remove this, so I was trying to figure it out without, breaking plastic, and I think I've figured out the trick. So I pulled from this, the left side first, and then it doesn't really want to move from there. So the trick I found is to come from the top and just pull down, and there are two clips on this side that need to release, and that's kind of the trick to get to it. You pull down from the top after pulling out from the left side, and that will release it. And then there's your bulb receptacle, and little bulb is in there. I don't know which one it is. Mine was actually just detached. It had fallen off, and the bulb worked. So that's it. And then reinstall the same way.